Why you don't play with me, no pushover. What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B, and we back in this mode with another video. As you guys see by the title, man, finally, it has arrived. The PS5 DualSense Edge controller, man. One of PlayStation more advanced controller. Actually, their first advanced controller, to my knowledge, man, made by Sony themselves, man. They just dropped this off probably a few hours ago, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Sony, man. They be on it, man. I pre-ordered this sometime last year, I want to say, early December. And if for those who don't know, man, if you pre-order a pre-order device or anything like that of that nature that drops on a certain date, you will get that product on that particular date. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Sony once again, man, for dropping this off at the doorstep on the day that it released, man. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of this particular controller here, man. I will be doing a more in-depth review of this particular controller, man, giving my thoughts and opinions on how I feel and stuff like that in game, on the experience of the controller itself, on my other channel at More Be Twice. So y'all be sure to go check me out over there, man, if y'all interested in that. We gonna be dropping a whole bunch of different videos over there as well at More Be Twice. I will link it down below and then pop it up somewhere on the screen as well, man. Go check me out over there. But anyways, man, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of the controller, man, show you guys what all comes inside the box here. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed the video, y'all already know what to do, man. Hit that like button, subscribe, click the bell icon, turn the notification on all so you don't miss no bangers, man. Let's hop straight into it. Let's get it. All right. This tab here. It's a pretty big box, man. Yeah, definitely, man. Bigger than the original box that comes when you buy like a controller separately. So you guys go, man. We presented with the all-white box with the PlayStation logo up there, man. Maybe open this. I guess it just falls out from the bottom, maybe. I have no idea. Okay, it just opens up like this. Okay. See what the presentation gonna look like, man. I have checked out the Xbox Elite controller as well, the Elite 2. And it's a pretty dope controller, man. It feels very premium. So we're gonna see if PlayStation can compete with Xbox, man, as far as like the Elite controller wise. So it does come with a case here. Pretty nice case, man. Hard shell. You got your PlayStation logo right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Let me see if I turn it at an angle. Got your PlayStation logo right there. On the back, we got our Sony buttons here. See if I can turn it in. Let me see. Let me try that one right there. Ooh. I don't know if it worked or not. But anyways, man. So we can go ahead and unzip this bad boy. That's dope that it does come into this. And we also got this back plate here, which is that Velcroed on? I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll see. But anyways, inside the actual case, man, we're presented with the controller and a whole bunch of accessories attached that we can attach to the controller, man. So up top here we have the USB Type-C connector here to charge our controller, and I believe this back plate here should allow us to charge the controller from inside the case as well, man, like Xbox. Hopefully it does. I'm not 100% sure. But anyways, man, we got the USB Type-C cable right here. Pretty long too. Next we have, I think that's it for at the top. Let's get the controller out, man. Now my only like complaint about this controller here is the gloss finish. Why? I don't know why Sony had to go with the gloss finish. I mean, at the end of the day, it is a dope look, but fingerprints, man, fingerprints. I'm big on fingerprints, man. I hate seeing fingerprints and stuff like that on devices and stuff. So make sure you got a fiber cloth beside you, man. But anyways, man, we got the PlayStation 5 DualSense Edge controller here. Up top, you guys see, man, on the pad, you got your engraved PlayStation buttons. Got your arrows here, all black button layout here, man, with the white symbols on it. Thumbsticks feel pretty good. They should be removable as well. Like I said, we're gonna do a more in-depth review on this, like breaking the controller down and stuff like that, switching up the analog sticks on the More Be Twice channel. So y'all be sure to go subscribe to me over there, check me out over there. So on the back side of the controller, we do have our trigger stoppers here. You got three modes. So you got the regular mode. You pull it down here a notch. You know what I'm saying? That's the medium, and then the last level here, you got shorter stops, man. So pretty dope, man. I'm excited to use this controller, especially playing Call of Duty, man. My first-person shooter, my favorite first-person shooter game on the MW2, man. So yeah, I can't wait. Now here, I believe we placed our paddles. This is not like the Xbox Elite 2 series controller, because I believe they have like 3 slots, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4 slots in the back to where you can place your paddles. I'm not a huge fan of paddles. Like I said, man, I'm a huge fan of like the trigger stoppers, but the paddles, I'm not really a huge fan of, man, because I grip my controller like very aggressively, man. That's just me. Oh my God, I just noticed something crazy about this. Wow, that's fire. Okay, hold on. As you guys see at the bottom of the controller here, man, they actually rounded out the handles, man, which is very dope, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because on the original PS5 DualSense controller, man, it's kind of a sharp edge and it digs into your fingers. I'm gonna go get the controller real quick, man. Hold up, it's right here. I'm gonna go get the controller. That's crazy. Wow, okay, I'm feeling this controller a lot more now, man. So look, as you guys see here, like this sharp edge here, man, like come on, Sony. Come on, man. Y'all should have been implementing that, man. All they had to do is round it out there. That's why I really don't like using my DualSense on 5 controller, PlayStation 5 controller, because the sharp edges, man. But they fixed it. It's more rounded now, like the original PlayStation 4 DualSense controller, man. So big shout out to Sony for implementing that, man. So yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna put that to the side. That ain't what y'all here for. Y'all here for the big dog right here. So like I said, man, the analog sticks feel good. Buttons and triggers feel amazing as well, man. Right here, we got our USB Type-C connector at the back. We went over that. So you also have a release button. So I'm assuming that's how you take off the paddles here. And we also, like I said, the thumbsticks are removable as well. So you got these buttons as well. So you got the FN here, so I'm pretty sure you can program these to do certain tacticals or movements or anything like that in the game, man, on the console itself, man. Like I said, more in depth in video about the PS5 on DualSense Edge controller on More Be Twice channel, man. Be sure to sub up over there, man, if y'all want to see a more in-depth video about that. But anyways, so here we still got the are these the analog sticks? Oh no, okay, these are paddles. So we got paddles here, as you guys see, man. They're mad small, real small paddles. Guys, a closer look at that. We also have, put those back, some more longer paddles. So I didn't know that they included 2 different types of paddles. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I'm not even gonna lie. So here are the more longer paddles here. Guys, a closer look. So these are kind of similar to the Xbox Elite paddles. All right. We also have, I might have put that in there wrong, not 100% sure. But we also have the analog sticks, man, which are removable. Right? So we do got a set of analog sticks, and they all seem like they're the same size, if I'm not mistaken. They all seem like they're, okay, no, they're not. Okay, I see the difference. All right. Yeah, so these are the more extended ones right here. Not by it's not by much though. And yeah, let's do this. Let's do it like this, so y'all can see the difference in them. So these are a little longer, while these are shorter. So you do got your extended analog sticks as well. So put these back in here. All right. And this right here, I don't know what is this. Some type of lock and unlock. I don't know what this is right here. Where the box at? I have no idea. It don't got nothing. Really don't got anything on the box. I don't know. Okay, it says 2 levers, connector housing, carrying case. 2 half domes, 2 low dome caps, 2 lever back buttons. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Y'all let me know if y'all know what this is, man. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I have no idea what this is, man. So if y'all know what this is, let me know in the comments, dog. Like it opens up. Okay. So you put your charger. I don't know if y'all can see that. It got like a charger symbol in the inside. So okay, it's a housing for your cable, your USB type C connector cable, man. So you just slide that in there, and I'm assuming it attaches to the back of the case. Y'all see that slide right there? Attaches to the back of the case. Let's see. I don't know exactly how that goes in. I have no idea. Let's open the back of this real quick and see if we can. It's Velcroed on. That's some strong Velcro. That's good though. All right. So some way, somehow, this goes in here. How, I do not know. So I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, let's try it this way. Yeah, we're gonna have to save this for. I have no idea how that's supposed to go in there. Yeah, I have no idea. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out on the next video. But anyways, man, that's pretty much it. That what comes inside the case. Once I figure out how to put that inside of here, yeah. Stay tuned for the More Be Twice channel, man. But anyway, man, this is just a quick unboxing of the PS5 DualSense Edge controller, man. Like I said, this controller just released today, man. Very dope controller, man. I'm already in love with it, man. Just off the fact that they rounded out the edges here. I'm a huge fan of rounded out. So the controller feels so much better in my hands, man. Sony, if you're listening, you're watching this, please make the rest of your make a V2 of the original DualSense Edge controllers, man. We need the controllers with this design right here, the rounded design, man. Huge shout out to Sony for updating that on the new advanced PS5 controller that we have here. There you guys go, man. The DualSense Edge PS5 controller here, man. Very dope controller, man. I do love the design, man. My only gripe about this controller is just the glossy finish right here, man. But besides that, very dope controller, man. I can't wait to give this controller a test out, man, especially on that Call of Duty, man. Playing some multiplayer and might hop in Warzone. But if y'all want to see a more in-depth review about this controller, man, y'all be sure to go check me out over there at More Be Twice. I will be doing a more in-depth video about this, man, playing games and stuff like that. But anyways, man, with that being said, y'all be sure to drop a like on the video. Comment your thoughts and opinions below as well about the controller, man. The controller don't even feel as heavy as like the Xbox Series Elite 2 controller, but I love this design, man. Like I said, they changed it up at the bottom here, as you guys see, man. It's more rounded out. It doesn't really have that sharp edge, man, like the original DualSense controller have, man, for the PS5. But anyways, man, y'all comment y'all thoughts and opinions below. Be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the screen because it's definitely a banger. I wouldn't miss it if I was you.